What's that?
A duck. She said duck right away. That's awesome.
Alana,
Look at that.
what is that?
Yeah, little bunnies in there. And the M&M bunny.
Is that a bunny? Is his ear broken? You say thank you?
Yes, honey, I didn't know these words. That's awesome.
What's this?
What's that? Yes. There's some little eggs in there you can eat. Little baby eggs.
Mmm.
I didn't do a lot of candy to that.
No, that's good.
I can see. It's a big girl. Yeah. Taste it. It's good.
And just sort of make the best out of what I have.
You want to eat?
Okay.
You can eat that. Eat.
Mentally handicapped home. Okay.
You can eat that.
Not getting hit with poop today.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just take up new games.
Are you going to share? Thank you. We put it out. Okay. That's cute.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
I love that little skirt though. Is that your little Easter skirt?
Wait, Alana, you can feed yourself.
These milk chocolate. These are Whoppers. They have, what do they call those? Well, ball. Do it?
90 days. It's like,
Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Can you get it?
She points it.
Can you show Dada the duck? Oh, you gonna feed the duck?
Oh, that's nice.
Mm,
Oh, that's
thank you.
nice. You're sharing. Does the duck want one? Oh, you did it. Good job.
Can you give Patty a hug and say thank you? Give her a hug and kiss?
Oh, you're welcome. You are welcome. It's a bunny.
The bunny make noise?
You could open it later when you're watching. She probably can't open it. Isn't that stuff?
Is there a bunny in there, Alana? Where's the bunny? Yeah, there's a bunny. There's another one in there too, isn't there?
Yeah. What's that?
What's that? Is there a bunny right there?
A bunny?
Yeah.
A bunny?
A bunny?
Bunny?
Yeah. You got a mouthful of candy, don't you? And there's a duck?
A bunny?
Bunny. You like those, don't
She
you?
liked these books. She knew the animal. The other kids had no idea. She
Oh,
was
really?
Pointing to all of them. What'd
Yeah.
you get, Anna? What'd you get?
You got a full mouth.
She's got these little eggs in here.
I don't want you to say this phrase.
You getting the bunny?
Well, right now.
Oh. Are you gonna eat that? What a special day, huh?
What you do,
Oh, you like chocolate?
I can fake it really well, and I can fake like nice looking outfits and whatever. I'm like I can make it look good. You can only see. There's guys in my office.
Patty,
Dylan,
Come-
like little meat and potatoes.
come look at her. Sure.
What?
Yeah, she got into the bunny.
Oh.